Hey everybody, welcome to Extreme Heat Pete. I am Extreme Heat Pete and I'm here to do a special unboxing of a very big package I received today from none other than the great people at Hot-Headz. Now, I did place an order with them. This is not a free order, so let's crack this open. Let's see what we got. This box weighs about 8 kilograms, so it's pretty chopper. So what we've got, apart from loads of these papers, we've got a postcard. Special Hot-Headz postcard. Delivery docket. Apart from loads of quavers, box inside a box. So we've got one box inside a box. Get everything out first before I show you what I've got. Have a rummage around, see if I missed anything. Really small box like that. And such a big box like that. Okay. So yeah, that's all quavers. Right. So first of all, we've got a Toe of Satan. Toe of Satan challenge. Now, I've done this before, I failed miserably, so I'm back for revenge on this. So, and now we are going to open this smaller box, which was inside the bigger box. And inside this smaller box, we have got some beef Hot-Headz, beef jerky, chipotle chili flavour. Beef jerky, big fan of beef jerky and biltong. And we've got some Hot-Headz beef jerky and naga chili. Great stuff. 50-gram packets, both of them. Cool. And then we've got Hellfire hot sauce with Chili Masters Private Reserve. Look forward to review that. And then what's this one? We've got a Hot-Headz habanero pineapple hot sauce, tropical fruity hots. Now, all these sauces I'm showing you and items I'm showing you today, I will be doing reviews over the coming weeks of these products. So I just thought I'd show you all of them today. And we've got a habanero mango hot sauce. And we've got a High Rivers hot sauce. Now, I've heard of High Rivers, American company, produce some great sauces. I thought I'd give this one a go. And this one is called Thunder Juice, tequila infused hot sauce. It's pretty, I don't know what to make of the colour of that. It's a bit off-putting the colour. Then we have got Dawson's hot sauce, original hot sauce. Now, Dawson's hot sauces were featured on the hit show Hot Ones, so I've got that to review. It's a wax sealed bowl too. It must be special. And we've got another Dawson's hot sauce, shawarma hot sauce. Looks interesting. So that's worth a go. And now we're moving to this one. Coconut hot sauce, sweet, fruity, tropical heat, mango and coconut hot sauce. from Hot-Headz. The lighting's terrible in here, I know. And then we've got a Hot-Headz banana ketchup with habanero chili. So habanero banana. There we go, that's better. And then 3 more to go. We've got a blackberry hot sauce, sweet and smoky chipotle. Blackberry chipotle hot sauce, sweet and smoky. Very interesting. And then we've got a kicking chicken, Hot-Headz kicking chicken sauce and marinade, medium heats. Now, knowing me, I'll kick it up, but I know someone who's tried this and they say it's got a nice bit of heat to it. And then we have got apple chipotle sauce, smoky apple delight. Now, I had a bottle of this stuff a few years back for Christmas. It was only a small bottle. But I've got a nice big bottle of this now. This goes amazing with bacon sandwiches, sausage sandwiches. Light's terrible. There we go. So yeah, that's it. That's an empty box. And then we have got this, which is a free gift from Hot-Headz themselves, which is a t-shirt. A Heat Junkie t-shirt from Hot-Headz. I quite like that. That's pretty cool. I think if you spend a certain amount, they give you a free t-shirt, which ain't too bad. So I believe that is it. Yeah, that is it. And I've got the joy of picking all that up because I've just tipped it all over the floor. So yeah, that has been an unboxing of the Hot-Headz box which arrived today. Also, I've got to show you these other bits what came today as well. May as well sit right in front of me. So I got these 2 sauces from Chili Mark Burns here in the UK, which is fermented hot sauce, mixed chili, onion, garlic, tomato. It's a medium heat on that one. That's from Chili Mark Burns. And then we've got a fermented hot sauce, a mixed chili fermented between 2021 and 2022, 1 year, 2 month ferment. I'm looking forward to trying them. And then he also sent me 5 tubes of the Fusion 2 9 million Scoville Nuts Challenge. So I'm going to have some fun doing them soon too. And then Mr. Postman brought me this. Now I've seen people do this and it scares the crap out of me, but who cares? And this is the Devil's Kiss spray. It's a capsicum spray, spray it in your mouth. So yeah, only a small 30ml bottle. I'm looking forward to trying that very soon too. So yeah, that is it, guys. That has been everything for today. Now, I'd like to ask you all now, please remember to give me a big thumbs up saying you enjoyed this video. Please share your friends and family. Smash that red button, turn it grey, help us reach 300 subscribers where a special giveaway awaits and an Uber special challenge awaits too. So keep your eyes all peeled for that. Remember, 300 subscribers. Also check out my Instagram page, which is Extreme Heat Pete 81. Also check out my Facebook page, Extreme Heat Pete. For now, I have been the man, Extreme Heat Pete. I will see you all in my next video, which will be a snack review and maybe adding some of these glorious looking sauces to it too. For now, Catch you later. Bye.